In a bowl, take prawns. Add ginger garlic paste, chili powder, turmeric powder, salt to taste, pepper powder, lemon juice, and mix well. Marinate this and keep for 15 to 20 minutes. In a pan, add oil. Coat the prawns nicely in rava. Make sure the oil is hot. Fry the prawns on both the sides till it's crispy. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to our channel Elleroy and don't forget to visit our store at elleroy.co.uk. All the information is in the description below. See you in the next video.